lesson, we will learn about salutations and how to address people. To address by Mr. or Sir, you add 先生 after the person's full name or family name. Please repeat after me. 先生，先生。For example, to say Mr. John Smith, we would say John Smith 先生 or Smith 先生. To address a woman by lady, you can say 女士 after her full name or family name. 女士. Please repeat after me. 女士，女士. For example, you could say either of the following Mary Smith 女士 or Smith 女士. To address a woman by Miss, you will use 小姐. Please repeat after me. 小姐，小姐. In this lesson, we have learned 先生 Sir or Mr. 女士 Lady. 小姐 Miss. Practice this lesson until you can use them to address people. I will see you in the next lesson.